this might be a bass. This might be a good bass. Oh my God. No. What the f is that? Oh my God. £10 test and then broke it. I have no clue what that was. No, I lost the biggest fish of my life. Honestly, I don't know if it was a bass. Could have been. It was definitely, I will guarantee, no way to prove it, but at least a double-digit fish. So this is why I record, so I can see what I did, how I can improve and better myself as an angler or fisherman. I can tell you right now, I tightened the drag just a little bit too tight after I had caught the previous fish. I didn't cut the line off and retie. Could have been an abrasion in the line. Happens. You should always retie. I didn't. And then I tried to strong arm the fish. What I mean by that is, I tried to fight it instead of letting it tire itself out. So there's a lot of things I did wrong. I lost a lot of sleep over it. It happens. Nothing I can do about it. I've got to move on and improve myself. So I hope you guys enjoy. There's more fish to be caught, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Peace. All right, nice little spotted bass on the jerk bait. Oh man. That'll do, fishy, that'll do. Get this girl back in the water. Get her out of here. Man, these things are so aggressive. Get her back in the water. There she goes. Let's chill out, dude. Chill. Chill. Ooh. That was not cool. Uncool, dude. That was not cool. That'd be a water moccasin right there. Just chilling on the water. Oh my gosh. Had a fish.
it down. Tired of myself, tired of this town.